Hey guys, Amy with Leap of Faith Crafting here. Thanks so much for stopping by. So today we're going to do some more graduation projects. So today is just an easy card, a money holder card to give to any graduate. So I have two ways to do it. This video I'm going to show you how to make it with your Cricut, and I also use my EasyPress too. So this is just a super cute card. I have the project file linked below in Cricut Design Space, so you can just jump on in there and make it right away. And you can also customize it to change the year, or if you want to add a name or anything on it. So you just open it up and money goes right inside, or the check. And it also comes with an envelope that you can cut out and fits right inside the envelope. So you can give to any grad and you're good to go. But if you don't have a cutting machine, don't worry. I also have same thing in printable form. So these are on my blog, and I'll link to those below. You can hop on over there and grab printables. I have one in purple and also one in blue for girls and boys. And so you just print those out, cut along all the edges, glue them together, and stick the money inside, or the check, whatever you're doing. So anyway, super easy and cute to give to someone, and then you can just write from and your sentiments right on here, and you are all set to go. So if you like these videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, and let's get started. So the first thing is you're going to put in your white paper or whatever your Cricut tells you and load it up, and then it will prompt you to put in a scoring wheel. So you're just going to remove the other blade and put in the scoring wheel in the same place. And then it will also prompt you to put in a marker. So I'm just putting a purple marker here in the pen holder and pushing that down. And then going to load it. And then once it tells me to blink the light, I'm going to push the go light and let the Cricut do the work. So this is going to write the congrats on the outside of the envelope and then score it. And once it's done with that, it will stop and start blinking at me. And so I'm just going to put the cutting blade back in and putting that down, and then hit flashing light again. So that will finish cutting out the first mat. I'll unload that, and I flip my mat over just so it doesn't bend so much, and that's the first part. Then you're going to load. I did gray for my second one, so this is just going to cut out some words for me. I'll unload that, and again take off the excess. So my next mat, I'm doing a glitter mesh iron-on, so I'm cutting that on mirror setting. And then my next mat is going to be the outside envelope, so it's prompting me to insert the scoring wheel again. So I'm going to put that in and have it score. And then once that is done and the light is flashing, I'm going to put back in the cut blade and finish it off. So my last layer is my yellow. That is going to be the cap. And so it's using the pen again and cutting it out. And then I'm going to remove everything with my mat. And for the cardstock, I just use the little spatula. So I'm just pulling it off of the mat. And then now we're going to put everything together. So the first thing I'm going to do is turn on my EasyPress, and for this I'm going to warm it up to 290 and for 30 seconds. I'm using the mesh iron-on vinyl that I have here that I'm weeding all the extra out. So this is a glitter mesh, and I'm just using the iron-on because I just got this and I thought it would be really cool to do on the card. Once it's all weeded and cut, I'm going to put it on my EasyPress mat, and then I'm just going to press the top for about 3 seconds. And then center the iron on. And then press it for 30 seconds on the front side. And then I flip it over, and I'm going to do 15 seconds on the back side. And then I'm just going to peel off the plastic backing. So then I'm just gluing on the little grad hat, and now I'm just folding it on all the score lines. And then on those little tabs that fold in, I'm just going to put a little bit of a glue stick on it and push them together so they stay together. That's where the money or the check will go. And then I'm just going to add my "You Did It" sign. So same thing here, I'm just getting it, I'm pressing it for a couple seconds, then applying the iron on right in the center, and then again I'm going to press it on this side for 30 seconds, and then flip it over and do the back side for 15. And then just peel off the plastic backing again. And then I'm going to apply that to the inside of my card. So I'm just going to use a glue stick again, but you can use tape runner or glue gun if you want to apply this. And then I'm going to apply the "you" and the "it" on the other with the yellow color. So I'm just gluing that down and applying that. And then you can stop here and be done if you want. I wanted to make the edges pop a little bit, so I'm using a stamp pad and then just a little dauber, and then just spread in some black stamp ink all around the edges of that. And then we're gonna just put the envelope together. So I'm just folding over the sides and putting a little bit glue at the bottom, and then just right in the middle on that one tab. And I'm gonna let that dry a little bit. And that's all there is to it. So just add the money or check inside, and you are set to go.